Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on the 2 ways to enable second space on any Redmi phone. Over here I am using the Redmi 15C, but it doesn't matter the model of Redmi phone you have. Even if your Redmi phone does not have the second space feature built into it, one of the 2 methods to enable second space on your Redmi phone will definitely work out for you. So usually by default, to enable second space you just have to go over to the settings of your Redmi phone. From the top search input, you just want to go ahead and search for second space, and you should be able to find the second space option. If you do not find the second space option, then it simply means that your Redmi phone does not have second space. But if you do have the second space option from the settings of your Redmi phone, like the Redmi Note 15 Pro over here, just go ahead and tap on it and then select on the turn on second space from the bottom. At this point, you want to give it a couple of seconds and then you have to set up your second space. So tap on continue from over here and also choose how you want to switch between the spaces. In my case, I'll use a password. Select on the set now option. Now you want to enter your current password, pin or pattern, and then you now have to set up the password, pin or pattern for the second space as well. So go ahead and confirm the second space password, pin or pattern. Click on confirm. You can also choose to set up fingerprint if you want. I will go ahead and skip that. And now this is my second space. To switch between the spaces, you just have to enter the password for the space you want to switch into. So for instance, if I want to switch to the original space, I'll just enter my previous password and now I am actually in the original space. For the second method, if your Redmi phone does not have the second space option like this one over here, what you just want to do is to go over to the about option from over here, and then you want to scroll all the way down to the OS version. Continuously tap on this for about 7 times until you're turned into a developer. If you're already a developer, you're going to see that no need, you are already a developer. And once you're a developer, you want to come out of this, and then from the search bar again, you want to go ahead and search for the reset to default values, and you're going to see this option. Go ahead and select it, and once you're taken to this section of your developer options on your Redmi phone, you're going to see the reset to default values. Just go ahead and tap on this for about 3 to 4 times and you're going to see the turn on system optimization option over here. Just turn this off. You are also going to get a prompt letting you know that this might slow down your Redmi phone, but you don't have to worry. Then tap on the accept button from over here, and now you can go back to the main menu on your Redmi phone as well. Scroll all the way down to the additional settings from over here, tap on that, and then scroll down again until you see the users option. Go ahead and select that and then make sure that allow multiple users is actually turned on. Finally, you can now create a second space by basically adding a second user to your Redmi phone. So you can go ahead and tap on the add users option. You can also add a guest if you want, but I'll just go ahead and add a user. You also have to add a photo and name for that particular user. So I'll go ahead and add the name and then make it second user. Tap on OK and also add a profile picture for this particular user as well. And finally, you want to click on the check button. Give it a couple of seconds and a second space will actually be created for this particular user. You can switch to the second space user now. But keep in mind that you actually have to also set up the second space for this user. So tap on the setup now, click on continue. Now you can go ahead and set it up. So enter a Google account if you want, but in my case, I'll just skip this. Tap on skip from over here. You can also set up a password, pin or pattern for this particular user as well. In my case, I'll just set up a pattern, got it, and then enter my preferred pattern for this particular user. Go ahead and confirm it again. You'll actually be required to add a fingerprint to it, so go ahead and set it up if you want that as well. Once you're done capturing your fingerprint, you can now proceed. So click on the done button, scroll all the way down, click on accept, not now. Give it a couple of seconds and this particular user space has now been created for my Redmi phone. So the apps and everything here is actually different from the previous user, and I can as well go ahead and tap on the switch icon from over here to switch to the original user. Or alternatively, I can go over to the settings of my Redmi phone, scroll all the way down to the additional settings and then to the users option, and I can go ahead and switch to this particular user if I want from over here, and just give it a couple of seconds and this particular user will now be what I have on my Redmi phone. If this was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.